If I start naming all the people who have supported the women in cardiology, the list is endless. But particular thanks to all the men who have supported all of us women in cardiology, Dr. Dagubati, Dr. Arun, Dr. Sanjeev, Dr. Sanjay Tyagi, Dr. Sarita Rao. There are so many of them who have supported. Yes, like Dr. Sujata says, Dr. Roshan Rao, who's always been supporting our organization, cannot be missed. I am here today because of him. It's also very important at this time that I do not forget to mention the amount that the industry has supported us and our cause of women in cardiology. I can see Pradeep sitting over there, and Nitesh, and so many people from the industry who all supported us very well in our cause. We are looking forward to making this meeting bigger and bigger, collaborating with more and more people, getting more of a platform for all of our young and upcoming women cardiologists, doing a lot of research on women and heart, because as you know that women have been underrepresented in trials. We have less data about women. We don't know exactly how women respond to treatment. What are their symptomatology different? What are their outcome data, their treatment trials? So Wincars is also looking at doing a lot of research in all of these areas. We're also looking at, we've applied for PubMed indexing for a journal which was presented to all of you. The Poles of Intervention Cardiology book, which was co-authored by all of us, and looking forward to doing more and more such things and promoting the cause of women in cardiology. Till tomorrow, we see at any major cardiology meeting that at least 50% of the audience and the faculty on the panel are women cardiologists. Thank you so much.